What's up everyone, Shankar Puri here. Today we're going to look at the Bitcoin chart and some other indicators to show kind of where we are in the market and why I as well think we are definitely at a bottom or at an accumulation phase where you guys can definitely start DCing and back into crypto, Bitcoin, altcoins, and other asset classes. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright guys, so aside from this right here, our chart that we created regarding Bitcoin and where we believe we are in the market, there are other indicators showing that, hey, you know what, maybe the bottom is definitely in. There are other indicators showing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over here. This is an MVRV Z-score, and what this shows is, anytime we've come down here to this area, the bottom of the market has been in. It's been, it's been pretty accurate for the last, from the first bull run or the second bull run here in 2012, 2016, 2018, 2020. So it's been very accurate, and you can see that we're definitely just heading higher at the moment, and the price of Bitcoin is creeping up, as well as how we're leaving this area right here, right? So that is something that I definitely, wanted you guys to see, as well as here the R hodl ratio. So the R hodl ratio as well, all the way back from 2012, whenever it was down here in this area, it was a great time to accumulate. And now that we've left this area, just like here in 2018 to 2019, and just like over here in 2016, 2015, when it did leave, it was a great opportunity to purchase Bitcoin, right? So these are signs on the chart, metrics, just to show that, hey, we definitely have we're definitely past the bottom, and we do have, we're at the beginning of the next bull run. So that is what I do believe at this moment. So here we have the stock to flow model. You can see the stock to flow model chart here. It's just, normally whenever we're in this dark blue area, indicates that, hey, it's accumulation time. It's time to accumulate Bitcoin, right? So you can see that, yeah, we're definitely showing that the price of Bitcoin at these times is definitely an opportunity to buy, definitely for us to get in, and what we're looking for here, and like I said, we are in the accumulation phase for smart money, and you can see that the ETF for BlackRock. But to maintain this uptrend, what we need to see really is the price just to not break below this level, right? So now if we broke down here and came underneath, then we'd be starting a downtrend, right? But currently we are just heading up on an uptrend. And what you need to understand is, for uptrends and downtrends, you don't need to wait until all the way up at the last high to see if we're in an uptrend. You just need to watch the previous low. So right now we are on an uptrend because of the market structure of the price action. So right now we haven't broken down below previous lows, right? We haven't broken down below previous lows. So we have a low here, made a higher low, and a higher low. So unless we break underneath and come down here and then pull down make a lower low and a lower high, then I would say, okay, we're back in a downtrend. But as it sits now, the Bitcoin price is in an uptrend, and we are just looking to continue with buys. So right now, what we're looking for is for the price to break above here, right? We're looking for the price to break above here, and if it does, then we're still continuing this uptrend, right? So the technicals for me is the most important. With that being said, looking at on-chain data for Bitcoin is definitely something that you can use as well as more confirmation, right? So as you see here, This was 2019, right? So this is 2019. And you can see here as we fell under here, this is all 2022. So what I'm really trying to say is, guys, is that we are at the buying opportunities right now. Good buying opportunities for Bitcoin. I would not necessarily say altcoins. So let's look at the altcoins. Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. Oops. Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. As we can see right now it's not the best time to buy altcoins. I mean, some altcoins are doing well, but for the most part, we have altcoins kind of just not really heading in a bullish direction. And the reason for that is because as the Bitcoin dominance increases, that means that money is flowing out of the altcoins into Bitcoin, right? So you want to keep in mind that we're not really looking for altcoins right now. We're really not looking to buy any altcoins right now. If you're trading in and out of altcoins, like we had this coin here, Cream, it's at $36, and our purchase when we were purchasing was $15, so that's about over 100% gain. So looking at coins like that, that was a great opportunity to purchase. But if we go to just the KuCoins watch list, a lot of these coins are still not having higher lows, right? They're still making lower lows, lower highs. So you can see here, that the price, it's definitely looking, we're not looking for a lot of these coins are heading higher, especially the ones in the last bull market, right? Most of them are okay. So we have one here, ARPA. We have ARPA here that actually does look like it's more in a bullish trend right now. So it's a relatively new, 2019, so it's relatively decently new coin, right? So this does actually look like, we have a demand zone right here. So yeah, it does look like this coin's actually heading higher. So we could put this on a little watch list, check the news later. But yeah, so most of these coins though, especially in the last bull run, they do look like they're going to be, not heading much higher. Yes, we have an uptrend here, but this is a strong resistance right here. And the best way to check things, guys, is actually just going to the total 2 or total 3. Looking at this, we do see that yes, altcoins are just maintaining kind of a base around here, right? What I was saying before is that these altcoins are just going to be maintaining around this area for a little bit of time. And just kind of just bouncing in between support and resistance here. So keeping that in mind, guys, kind of shows us that you can buy altcoins, but it's really not the altcoins time to shine. It's more Bitcoin would need to start again getting some more media attention before people want to start buying into altcoins again. That's kind of how the market cycle works. So just consider that as you're buying and getting in and out of altcoins. That it's a bit more risky at this moment. Once we see the Bitcoin dominance trending down, which it's on a strong uptrend, we're looking at this area as the next resistance area right here to see what it will do. But we would be at least looking for a strong rejection here before we would start looking into scaling into altcoins, right? So that's really it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy. Please follow, like, and share. And again, I'll look at any of your altcoins or cryptocurrencies that you would like for me to review and do any technical analysis and fundamental analysis, just to see where it will be heading in the future. And just remember, charting, trading, investing is all speculation. So we don't know what will happen. All we do is take educated, responsible decisions, especially based on our risk management and our risk appetite. So just keep that in mind, and that you can lose money in this market. A lot of people have lost everything in this market. So if you made it out with a little bit, pat yourself on the back, because most people lost everything. Just remember, we do have a lot of time, to capitalize in this cryptocurrency market. So with that being said, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and tune in next time for another Bitcoin, altcoin, cryptocurrency news. And I'll catch you guys later. Take care.